Lazy!
Welcome to Burj Views, located in the heart of downtown Dubai. This spot is unbeatable. Let's dive into the transformation. We've given the entire apartment a refresh with brand new high-quality wooden flooring for an elevated and stylish look. The walls and doors have been repainted with top-quality paint. And we also fixed and painted the ceilings to make everything look brand new. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. We've replaced the ceiling and installed new spotlights, repainted all the upper and lower cabinets, and wrapped the countertops in a sleek marble finish. The sink has been replaced and upgraded. The matte black coloring really complements the rest of the kitchen. Now, onto the bathrooms. They've all had a modern upgrade, combining style with functionality. We've added fresh wall and floor tiles with chic vanities, backlit mirrors, plus all new sanitary fittings throughout to really make them stand out. The master bathroom features double sinks, complete with convenient shelving and subtle lighting for a sophisticated touch. And not to forget the extra large bathtub. The wooden floors flow through to the bedrooms, where you'll find spacious double wardrobes that have been refreshed to match the rest of the apartment's interior. This stunning property has already had a new tenant put down a deposit and ready to move in to enjoy those 10 out of 10 views.